I've got a Janitrol air conditioner here that even though a new compressor was installed, I've replaced the capacitor, the 45 microfarad capacitor twice already. Myself, I think my coworker replaced it once. It just keeps eating through them. I'm going to test it here and see what it needs.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Alright, go on to the next 2 units for preventative maintenance. And I have definitely gone some major rounds with this particular unit. In fact, I almost replaced it several times, but I'm going to pull these next two. And I'm going to see this one. I replaced the compressor, or I shouldn't say I replaced the compressor. I had the compressor replaced on this one. Was the most recent bout, and even then, after that, I think I've replaced the capacitors twice since then. Now, I've since then actually changed to a different brand of capacitor, going with the Titan Pro. This one does have a Titan Pro on the fan motor. So let's just test this out. Take a look at what we got going on. Okay, we've got a new compressor. Definitely a lot going on this one. Okay, so we've got I'm going to discharge the capacitor. Looks like we've got that 45 I was telling you about. And then we've got our 5 for the fan. Okay, there's those. Here's the start wire. And get out those common wires. There we go. All wires off. And we're ready for the test. My prefer is, and I'm hoping this one tests out because I don't have another 45 with me. But, you know. It is what it is. I gotta go get one. I gotta go get one. There we go. 14.8. Oh my gosh, that is bad. 14.8. So this one's just eating up capacitors, but I definitely need to buy a better brand of capacitor. So let's see what this one is. 4.93. So the fan cap is good, but my main capacitor is bad. I'm gonna run down to my shop and hope that I ordered 45s. Come right back and change that out for an actual. I'm hoping I have a Titan Pro is what I'm hoping, because obviously these Supcos are just not holding up, and perhaps I'm blaming it on the wrong thing, but this is like. This will be the third Supco since I had the compressor replaced. So that's saying something. Let me go get that done. Oh, look at around here, around the low side. Definitely see a difference right around that low side. So it could have a refrigerant leak as well. Alright, we'll take a look. Give me a chance to take out this trash too. So. Okay, went to my shop and got a 45 and took out the trash. Unfortunately, all I have is Supcos, and so I'm actually going to order the new 45 for this because I know it's just going to happen again. I'm going to order Supco, so I'm curious. Hopefully I can order it pretty soon. I'll probably order it next week. It might take a week or so. Obviously it'll hold on until then, but it's crazy how many of these I've gone through. Last time I I did an amp draw and it tested okay, but now this is at 15. That's definitely bad. Anyway, get our new one in and that'll be that. Okay, so here we go, hooking up our unit. I noticed this one was kind of weak when I pulled it out, and maybe that's, oh, it isn't weak, it's strong. Never mind, thought it was weak. Okay, well, let's make sure our connections are strong. And here's our perm. Everything's good there. Next will be our hard start kit. Got one lead to each side. This was a little easier to do when it was out a little. There we go. Okay, go ahead and reach back there and tighten that down a little bit. Okay, it's done. And now we're ready to test it out, and I'll do an amp draw. Get the red wire in there. When you do an amp draw reading, you only want one wire in your meter. So you get one wire. This one I'll go with the red one. I'll flip it over to amps AC. There we go. Okay. And I'll go ahead and plug this one in, tracing down the conduit right here. See it here. Okay. Now I'm going to hold the contactor in and we're going to see what our amp draw reading is. So here it goes. Amps, 14.5. Looking on the compressor, seems like we're good. Nice and cold. Down to 13 amps. Everything sounds good. Okay, looks like we're good there. I'm just going to order a stronger capacitor. I think I'm going to change this one. This way it's on my schedule. I did what I could to make it better for now. Let's see if I got my leak detector in the bag. I do. Okay, and since I just see that the spots around the deal, I'm going to see if we have any leak here. Take this down on the sensitivity. Let's go with max. Like pretty high amount of sensitivity. There it goes. You can see it's kind of reading a little something. Alright. So let's actually bring that sensitivity down to the minimum. Or, you know, part way. So right up on it. Let's try here. It seems okay. I think the next time that I come up here, I'm going to bring some soap bubbles and just kind of immerse that and check it that way. and go from there. So this one kind of to be continued. To be continued on this one. We're running. It's a done deal. At least for now, it's good. You know, electrically. And we'll see in the near future. I'll order a 45. Change it out, change the brand out, and go that route. Our amp draw was good, so yeah, at least it's a done deal. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, I've got my disconnect pulled. What we've got is a Goodman unit here. Most of these take a 40/5. Check it. Let's see what we've got. Yeah, 40/5 right there. I like to write it in these for the next guy. Make it a little easier. But first we'll discharge the capacitor. The capacitor holds the charge even after the power is disconnected. 40/5. Just make it easy. Manufacturers should do it, but they don't. So it's up to us. Okay, here's our fan. Here's our Herm. Hard start kit. All the commons. Other side of the hard start kit, and we're ready. Okay. $39.74, that's good. And common fan. I think I got that wrong. Yeah, that was wrong. Okay. We don't want Herm to fan, we want common to fan. Looking for 5. 4.93. So we're good. Alright. This one, we'll pick up our wiring back up. Here's the common. Fan. Other common. And then the hard start kit, one lead to each side. Everything's nice and tight, and we're ready. Done deal. Okay. So I just need to plug the disconnect back in. Okay, I'll plug the disconnect back in, reset the cover, and we're good to go. This I can probably just use the non-contact voltage detector to verify we've got power going through. Alright. Done deal. On to the next couple. I better start checking what time it is. It's almost lunchtime. Working up a hunger. 12:38. I probably can do the next two. That'll be halfway on this roof. All right.
A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.